Why does a property owner need a property manager?
Because they're the best.
Put more time back into their day.
Because it makes their life easier.
People are working, they don't have time to manage their properties, right?
It is an asset, right? And it comes with work.
Trying to do property management on your own is downright exhausting.
And more importantly, you don't want the headaches. You want to leave it to a professional.
Management is a lot of work.
They don't have to worry about tenants, they don't have to worry about maintenance, and their whole property management company could just make their lives easier and just relieve that stress for them.
Be able to take care of all those problems that you can't even think of that are happening behind the scenes.
They don't have to worry about dealing with the maintenance issues, collecting the rent, finding tenants.
They don't have time to schedule the repairs.
You can't live without a property manager for efficiency, really to protect your property management investment of the properties that you're going to treasure for the rest of your life.
Your biggest investment, and as much fun as it is to have your hands in it, get your hands dirty, you need a professional.
Landlords need a property manager because the laws are always changing, best practices are always changing.
They're probably going to make a million mistakes and end up with a really bad renter in their home that may or may not be who they told you that they actually are.
They help you. They make your life easy.
And if you're just doing this part-time as something in the background, you're going to be left way behind. You're going to be renting for under market prices. You're going to leave yourself vulnerable for things that aren't even crossing your mind.
You're probably going to do a bunch of things that are going to get you in hot water.
I think you can do it yourself. They have so many more outlets and resources than the do-it-yourself landlord does, that it actually gets streamlined and optimized.
This is not anything to mess around with. There's so many legal liabilities, there's so many loopholes, there's so many things that you need to be aware of that simply are too much.
Liability, duh.
There's so much changing in the property management space with risk and liability. You do not want to be put into a situation where managing a $300,000 asset turns into a multi-million-dollar lawsuit. So make sure you get professional management so you don't run into that and have some risk aversion.
Do they want to have an investment property and they want to go ahead and deal with it, waste their time? Why? They could get more investment properties and have the property manager, do all the nitty-gritty stuff so they can just put money in their pocket.
And that's why you have a team behind you. That's why you use a professional property manager who can get you the results that you need.
Realty Masters of Florida, that's where it's at. Take care of you guys and make your life easier.
You have a good veteran property manager who knows what it's like to be in it every single day. They're going to make sure your investment's well taken care of.